Hi guys, it's Mrs. Barbieri here in 6th grade, and I wanted to show you an easy way to access printable stay-at-home packets that were offered at our school sites recently. And if you were unable to come by and pick one up, the easiest way to do that is to go to our website, paris.k12.ca.us. From the homepage, you'll scroll down and you will go ahead and click on Learning and Enrichment Activities. Provided here is a nice schedule of some things that can help keep some normalcy for your kiddos at home. This link here, Online Resources iReady, will offer grade level packets for grades K through 8. And you will be prompted with a menu for math and for reading. And so for grade 6, you can go ahead and click. And again, this is the student at-home activity packet offered through iReady. And so all of the concepts that we have been working on in 6th grade, you will be able to print what you would like students to work on here, as well as any other grade levels that you may need to support students from home, and the same for reading. And so this is actually a great resource that, again, can be printed from home if you are trying to offer some academic support while school is closed. Okay. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us, but I'm hoping that that little tutorial gives you some easy resources to support kiddos during this time. All right, bye-bye.